Yo, what is going on YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. This video I'm going to be showing you how to get all Apex Legends heirlooms and skins for free. You can get any heirloom in Apex Legends for completely free, and you can also get any skin for any character, all of them for completely free. So this is a special Apex Legends redeem code that you can enter in-game, and it's going to supply you with all of these free heirlooms and skins. So you just need to use your mobile and follow the instructions that I'm going to show you guys, and it's super simple. It does take about 5 minutes, but it's well worth it. Use your mobile, open up the internet, go to www.coldcoupons.com. so just make sure you type it like this, guys, cold coupons. This website has loads of pages. You need to use that search bar where it says search here, search for Apex Legends. This page has 3 verified redeem codes, all highly rated and being used today. You can get 10,000 free Apex coins, you can get free packs, but this is the one we're focusing on, guys, for this video. Apex Unlock All Heirlooms and Skins, and this is basically going to give you a code that you can redeem, and it's going to supply you with every single heirloom and skin. You can see these codes are limited. Apex Unlock All Heirlooms and Skins, there's currently 100 plus codes, but they are verified and they're being used as well. So this will search for a valid code. Okay, so it says your code is ready and will be revealed in the box below after verification, and it says here your coupon code is currently locked. So essentially, guys, because these are limited codes and they are pretty desirable considering what they give you, you need to unlock your code, and it does limit 1 code per person. So you're going to see this code unlock, and you just need to follow the instructions here. It says complete 2 of the tasks below to unlock your code from cold coupons and follow the instructions. So you're going to have a list of completely free tasks. These are things like mobile games and surveys. You just need to make sure you read the description. So this one here says install, open and register a free account. So basically you'd click on it, download this app from the App Store, and just do what it says there. So just complete 2 of those, and if you do everything correctly, guys, it will redirect you back to cold coupons, and your code for your free Apex heirlooms and skins will be fully revealed, and you can redeem it in-game, and that is the best currently working Apex Legends redeem codes. So just go to cold coupons and find this page, guys, and yeah, go ahead and do what I showed you. So enjoy, guys, smash the like button, subscribe, and let me know in the comment section which heirloom is your favorite, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.